Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to delete all records from table in Oracle database. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using online compiler. So by using this query, we are going to create table employee with employee ID, name, department column. And by using this query, we are going to add or insert data into table, insert into employee value 1, 2. Now you see all data. And by using this query, we are going to display data, select static from employee. So by using this query, we are going to display all table record. So now we are going to delete all records from table employee in Oracle database. So write a delete. Now write a from. Then write a table name employee semicolon. So by using this query, we are going to delete all record. And then we are going to display record again to check record deleted or not. Now copy this query again, select static from employee. Now paste here and then click on run. Now you see output and then you see status successfully executed, table created by using this query, one row created by using this query, another row created by using this query, insert into employee value, select static from employee. Now you see we have 2 record and then you see delete from employee, 2 record deleted from this table employee. And again we are using select static from employee to check record is deleted or not. And then you see query executed and you see result no row selected. You will find this query in video description or in comment section. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.